Hey guys, Boom Pals app, here we are again. We bought the big bird cage on Amazon and we're going to put it together.
It's an upgrade.
We're going to put it together.
For the little cage.
It says fragile.
This must be Italian. Fragile.
This isn't, from what I can see, it's not much bigger than the one we have.
Yeah, it's a little bigger.
A little bit. It gives them a little bit more room.
I told you should have got that big one. But it was like $500.
I might need some scissors.
Keep doing that, was funny. Clippers work. Dog nail clippers. Dog nail clippers.
Or you could use scissors or whatever you got. The first thing we seen was
apparently the big
nail
zombie
clippers.
killing knife doesn't work. Looks cool. It's got a neat finish on it.
It looks like that cage we have.
Yeah, but it's not. It's a lot bigger.
Screws out in the bowls. They come in handy for that. And it came with a toy. So, and directions. So we need to read the directions. But I took everything out of the box and got all the parts separated and kind of organized. So pretty much what we have to do is just read the directions and we'll start putting it together for you.
Step 1. Take these little screws right here.
They're not the 4
Secure
small
this.
screws. They're the regular, the ones that we have more of. The short ones are the 4, they don't fit.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's not supposed to do that. Not yet, anyway. These little rails are on the inside. Now we're putting the front and back on.
It's just slipped over the little peg.
These two little side portions here.
Hanging.
Yeah, I hear it. Oh no! I gotta hang up the phone, or I gotta put the phone down and straighten this up. This one's bent in, so I have to grab something and bend it out so it won't slide down into the groove like it's supposed to. It's getting there. Got the skirting on, trays. One of the things we had to do was make sure these things go into a hole that's in the bottom of this, and it's hard to line up. And if these aren't in the holes down here, then they don't fit up here. But so far so good. It's a little upgrade. A little bit more room to play, and a nice thing on top that he can go into. Got a couple dings pre-done to it, like in the cups. Not too bad. It's a little bigger than the other one. Now here's the cage all set up with a cover on top of it and a bird inside it. He's already made a mess down the bottom. Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Say hello, Charlie.